I'm gonna be trying the berry cheesecake funnel cake fries from Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. This is what they look like. It's like a Mickey shape, but obviously I can't tilt it all the way. It smells like ice cream and like berry stuff. Get a bite with everything, hopefully. Cheers. I think this is becoming a favorite sweet treat. Every single time I try these different ones, they're good. So, obviously sweet, but look at that. This is good, y'all. Delicious, sweet. Definitely, you're able to share with someone because it's a lot. And the berry like sauce on it, it's pretty good. Okay, I recommend these. I think I give them a 8 out of 10. Good though.